Hi everybody.
Stingray.
Oh, I was going to say that. Okay, you bit me. Yeah, keeping on the under the sea
No, keeping
animals.
on stinging.
Yeah, what's stinging? Oh, because of the jellyfish, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, so stingray. Let's try to put it in a perspective that makes us to see a little bit of everything. Another thing like the jellyfish is the stingray. We don't have to be very precise to doing it. So we can have, the important thing is that we remember that we have wings, and this is
They
one
don't
part.
fly.
No, they don't fly, but they swim like they are flying.
Because that's
And we can have
balance.
this, yeah, this way. And obviously stingray have, I don't know how to call this, the mouth. It's not really the mouth, it's more antlers
Like
or
the
whatever.
mouth is under.
Yeah, the mouth is under, but in this case we're going to,
Do it on top because
Yeah.
then you can't see it.
yes. And obviously stingrays have a tail,
Yeah, they do.
so we are going to draw the tail here. This, okay. And oh, obviously we see this one, this wing from the top, but this one will be a little bit from the bottom. So let's say that we are the little line to show that this is the bottom. And then we can go very simply on doing the face. So we can have something like this for the mouth, and then the two eyes, one here and the other one here, with a bit of reflection. They are big enough to have the reflection. Yes, and we make it to be,
Cheeks.
yeah, and we make it to be a girl. You know, the eyelashes.
Some stingrays are friendly.
Well, they are animals. They could be both friendly and aggressive. It depends by how you interact with them.
If you disturb.
Yeah. And we have one cheek here and the other cheek here. And let's make the lines as well, so it will be cuter. Yes. This was another one that was pretty much fast. What do you think? It's good enough?
Yeah.
Okay, folks, I hope you enjoyed it and see each other in our next drawing.
Okay.
Bye bye.
I'm all sticky.
Bye.